Welcome to AI in Your World, an innovative, interactive learning experience designed to make artificial intelligence accessible to everyone. This comprehensive course features 7 carefully crafted modules, each addressing key aspects of AI in our daily lives. Let's explore how this engaging platform works. Our intuitive interface allows learners to navigate freely between modules, tracking their progress as they go. Notice how each section is clearly labeled and easily accessible with just one click. Starting with our Introduction to AI module, learners encounter a perfect blend of engaging video
Ever wondered
lectures,
how your phone seems to know what you're thinking, or how your car can park itself? Welcome to AI in Your World, where we'll unpack the mystery of artificial intelligence and why it's such a big deal.
interactive quizzes. Our assessment system showcases diverse question types to maintain engagement and test understanding in different ways. Multiple choice questions for concept checking. True-false statements for quick knowledge validation. Fill in the blanks to test specific terminology. Match the following for relationship understanding. Watch how learners can type in specific terms. Match related concepts. Receive instant feedback on their responses. Drag and drop exercises for interactive learning. Watch how learners can select answers with a simple click. Drag items to their correct categories. Watch how after quiz completion, learners can see their overall score immediately. Our comprehensive review system empowers students to learn from their assessments. Watch how after quiz completion, learners can review each question individually. Compare their responses with correct solutions. Now, let's explore our interactive AI components exploration, designed using an engaging accordion-style interface. This intuitive accordion format makes exploring AI components both organized and engaging, allowing learners to pace their discovery journey. In our AI in Communication module, we showcase professional audio lectures,
Those smart replies in your email, that's AI. Your phone correcting your typing, that's AI.
watch how seamlessly students can interact with the content. While interactive exercises encourage practical application of concepts learned. Real-world role-play scenarios. In these scenarios, watch how you'll navigate this immersive learning experience. Choose your interaction approach. Explore multiple conversation paths. Respond to AI assistant prompts. Analyze communication effectiveness. This course demonstrates our commitment to creating engaging, accessible, and practical e-learning experiences. Perfect for corporate training, educational institutions, or anyone looking to understand AI's impact on our world. Contact us to learn how we can customize this course format for your specific training needs.